How to fix connecting Steam account stuck. 1. Ensure your internet connection is active and stable. 2. Check the server status of Steam. 3. Launch Steam with administrator rights. 4. Allow the Steam app on your firewall. 5. Disable VPN, if applicable. 6. Add TCP parameter to Steam shortcut. 7. Refresh Steam files. To do this, backup then clear items at /program files, x86, /steam /, keep the Steam apps folder and the steam.exe application only. 8. Uninstall, then reinstall Steam.